guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something really interesting. It's called mandala dotting art and it's used with paints, and you can make some designs just like as you'd maybe draw and colour in a mandala. It's just you're going to do it with dots and you're going to do it with paint. So it's really fun, and as you can see the dots, they have a point at the top, and that actually is pretty good because when it dries up it will look 3D, as 3D stuff is quite amazing. And so yeah, I really like these things, like drawing things like this, because it makes me feel relaxed. And you can do this during like maybe mindfulness time if you have any. And let's get started. So for creating the mandala dotting art, you will need any backs of maybe like a pencil or maybe some pins, but be careful if you're going to use pins. And I'm just using the back of some different size paint brushes to make different size dots, and also any paints that you want. You can choose any colors and as many as you want. I'm using 3, and yeah, let's get started. So the first step is to find the middle. My middle is right over here, and then you can get started to dot. So you're going to take whatever brush size you want, and we're actually going to use the end of it and not the bit where we usually paint. We're going to take the end and we're going to dip it on in any color. I am using the color purple for my first dot, so I'm just going to put it in. And then I'm just going to make a dot in the middle like this. And then I'm going to put this to a side. And I'm going to move on to my next dot. So the next step is I'm going to make a rim around it in the color yellow. So I'm going to take a thinner brush and I'm going to just make dots around it, and I'm thinking to make about as many as it fits. And if you need to, you can take some more paint if the dots are becoming a bit more lighter. So this for the last dot. And now I'm going to put this aside and take my last brush, and I'm going to make some purple dots around it like this. So just in each middle, like one over here, 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 and one over here. And now I'm going to take my thinnest brush and dip it inside my red paint. And then I'm going to start making big and then some medium-sized dots and some smaller dots coming out of these here. And you can use different angles to get different dots. And then I'm going to do that again for every purple dot here. And it's fine if the dots aren't really that even or you didn't put the right amount of paint, because it's going to look nice anyway because of the different colors. So, and it's also okay if the dots have points at the top, because it's going to dry to be just some solid ones. Okay, so I've just done that, and I'm just going to add some final touches, which is taking my yellow paint and making final dots over here. And I think my mandala is done. So you can even add more. Maybe you can put some different size dots around these dots, or maybe you can put some things over here. You can do whatever you want, because mandalas can look like anything really. They can look like flowers or stars or anything really. And I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you make really nice designs and you can store them somewhere. And I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching my channel. I hope you are having fun and learning lots of things. Please remember to like and subscribe. I really enjoy making these videos for you to see. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next time.